Hello friends, today is July 28th. Let us get to know all the details about World Nature Conservation Day in next 7 minutes. Observed every year on July 28th, World Nature Conservation Day came into practice as a day to educate people about the best practices to protect our natural resources of our planet. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated to create and increase awareness about the importance of natural resources and how we can live sustainably. This day encourages people to save and protect Earth's natural resources that are fast depleting due to the over-exploitation and even misuse. Natural resources are essentials like air, water, sunlight, crops that we require to fulfill our basic needs. Some natural resources like metals, plastic, fossil fuels and the forest, so these are non-renewable, meaning they cannot be replaced in our lifetime. This day is an effort to recognize that a healthy environment is the core basis for stable and productive society. The sustainable practices that are therefore essential so that the well-being of the present and future generations can be secured. Many times we get confused between the conservation and preservation. So let's see the difference between the two. Conservation and preservation both are closely linked and may indeed seem to be the same thing. Both terms involve a degree of protection. But how that protection is achieved, how that protection is carried out, that is the key difference. Conservation of nature is the effective management and utilization of natural resources. It means limiting our consumption of renewable natural resources to a rate slower than the replacement rate. Generally speaking, conservation is associated with the protection of natural resources, while preservation is associated with the protection of buildings, objects, or landscapes. Put simply, conservation seeks the proper use of nature, while preservation seeks protection of nature from the use. Preservation prevents the damage of resources by not allowing humans to interfere with them. Preservationists seek to maintain the current condition of natural resources. And we see that many times preservation is done to the environments that were already damaged. Means we cannot extract any resources from that ecosystem, so it has to be preserved. Conversely, conservation is done to prevent the damage or destruction before it causes more serious problems. During the environmental movement in the 20th century, two opposing ideologies came. First is conservationist, second is preservationist. Conservationists sought to regulate human use, while preservationists sought to eliminate the human impact altogether. Let us see what is the current situation now. As we know, due to severe exploitation of natural resources, today we are facing several problems like global warming, different diseases, natural disasters, destruction of wildlife, climate change, etc. Hence, it is high time that people start protecting nature for a better future. It is important to raise awareness among people all over the world to understand the importance of saving resources, recycling them, preserving them, and also understand the consequences of damaging them. So the question is, we all understand it is important, but how to live sustainably, right? So let us move. As responsible citizens, we must all practice sustainable living and bring about small lifestyle changes in our day-to-day life. The way we shop, the way we eat, the way we travel, and just similar things, just small similar things, so that we don't damage our natural resources. First, we can ensure water conservation. Second, encourage planting of trees. Third, waste management. The ideal condition should be refuse, then reduce. If not possible, then reuse, repurpose and recycle. So first thing is refuse excessive consumption, right? Fourth, about sustainable commuting. Try to walk or use bicycle as much as possible. If it is not possible, use public transport. Then if it is not possible, carpool, but try to keep our footprint as low as possible. Fifth, reduce electricity consumption. We can switch off the electrical appliances when they are not in use. This is very small contribution that we can make. Sixth, about reduce paper use. In the digital era, we have now all the devices, all the technology, so we can use that for a better purpose. If we don't require any printout, so please don't take it. Seventh, avoid single use of plastic. Plastic eventually flowing into the oceans, that is damaging to marine life and overall ecosystem. So please try to avoid the plastic use. Use the bags made up of cotton or cloth. That is good option. And overall, if we say, the main objective is to live and promote conscious and mindful living. From fast fashion and over exploitation of our resources to reducing non-essential travel, we can all play a role in building a sustainable future. Let us all pledge to protect, conserve, and sustainably manage our natural resources and make this world a better and healthier place for everyone. Let's dare to build a sustainable world. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Have a great day. Please take care and do like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected. Thank you.